is, this is the important topic. Sorry. Our next concept is reading initialization parameters. Reading initialization parameters. Reading initialization parameters are used to get the init parameters. Reading initialization parameters, or we can say get the init parameters or init parameters. They may ask different types of questions. Initialization parameters, init parameters, or configuration parameters. All are same. Initialization parameters, init parameters, or configuration parameters. To read the init parameters, we need to create the configuration object. To read the init parameters, we need to create the configuration object. Directly by using through the configuration object, get init parameter is a method used to read the initialization parameters. Configuration object dot get init parameters is a method used to read the initialization parameters. Add init param tag is used to add the initialization parameters. Add the initialization parameters in the add init parameters used to add the initialization parameters in the web.xml. And every init param tag contains two different tags. One is param name, second one is param value. Every initialization param tag contains two different tags. One is param name, second one is param value. Now we'll see some particular examples. And this one, this init param tag, we need to add in the, this initialization tag, we need to add in the, once again, we'll go for the example program. I will share one more slide. Once again, once again, I will go for the next page. Sorry. Programs. Okay, now observe carefully. This is the initialization parameters. Here I have certain program. Here, if you observe the things, here I created servlet configuration object. Servlet configuration object. These two steps are important. For reading initialization parameters, create the servlet configuration object. Through the servlet configuration object, we can access initialization parameters. Get init parameter is a method used to read the initialization parameters. And here, if you observe, I have web.xml contains driver is Charminar. And when we are getting the value of driver, automatically it returns this particular Charminar as the value. Similar way, once again we'll see reading initialization parameters or reading configuration parameters or get init parameters. All are same. To access init parameters or configuration parameters or init parameters, all are, we need to create the configuration object. Through configuration object, we can access initialization parameters. Configuration object dot get init parameter is a method used to access the initialization parameters. It takes one argument, that is name of the parameter. And one more thing, before accessing any parameters, we need to create initialization parameters. Init param is a tag used to add the initialization tags, initialization parameters. Init param contains two different subtags. One is init param name, second one is param value. These tag should be added under servlet tag. Thank you one and all. Once again, tomorrow's class we'll see some particular programs. Thank you.